Make a video of my new computer case real quick. It's Raid Max Blue Tornado something, I don't know. It's pretty cool looking. But I have 6 hard drives installed and a big old I think it's I don't know, it's an EVGA, I think it's I don't even know, I don't remember. Big honking graphics card. I'd have to look. I'll put it in the description below what it is and the specs on all this crap. But yeah, if you notice, all the hard drives are, where the, well, 4 of them's up here. And I still got my DVD slot. It's just dark in here, can't hardly see. One of the hard drives is there, there's 4 of them up there, and there's one on the very bottom, because with this graphics card it tucks neatly into the hard drive bay. And the case came with a couple of dents in it, dings. Came with 3 fans though, 2 of them's LED, and a big one in the back, 6-inch. Getting a graphics card in, there was absolutely no space between the motherboard and the back of the case back here that you probably can't see because it's dark. The power supply, it just kind of, you gotta hold it up there and mount it. There's no like dock for it. I had to redo half the pop rivets on it because it was so sloppy and everything was just loose, and just all the hard drives were, everything was vibrating, and it was annoying me. And I got a huge stereo system, and the daggone thing was rattling like you wouldn't believe. I mean, I ain't gonna focus in on it, of course. But I do have a flashlight. Oh, I hate this camera. Yeah, that's nice. Oh my wiring nightmare. But yeah, I figured I'd make a video of this right quick. Newegg or Newegg, whatever it is on the internet, you can buy them for like $40, but they're a really cool looking case, but they're just not built very good. I would not recommend buying it if you plan on moving a computer more than once or twice, because it'll be hard on the stuff inside. I mean, it's just, it don't weigh anything, and it's so flimsy. And like I said, nothing was straight. I had to redo all the pop rivets, well, most of them. And, you know, it's just for $40, it's a nice case, but it's just really cheaply made. But it looks really cool. I like it. So, I mean, if you want something that looks cool, that's going to sit on your desk, that's never going to move, and you got the time to take it apart and put it back together the way it's supposed to be, go for it. But if you want to just throw a motherboard and a graphics card and a power supply and a bunch of hard drives in there, don't plan on just being a one-night ordeal, because the hard drives ain't going to fit in the hard drive bay with a graphics card. Guarantee it. Not with this graphics card. Yeah. That's my new computer case, and if you have any questions about it, let me know. Thank you.